Our session is like admin and DevOps. Okay. We in GCP, we have a lot of courses, I can say. Admin, we have GCP, DevOps, we have, and lastly, GCP data engineering also we have. Okay. In GCP administration, in GCP administration, no coding, very minimal coding will be there. In DevOps, we need some Python related coding, just very basics. What is, how you can give the input, how you can able to print, like small coding is there, but that is not more and more. If you go with data engineering, lot of coding is there. Python, we need to write code. See, for example, I show you. I am working on a flows. Okay, see here, some coding will be there. We have to write a coding and composer. This coding will be there in data engineering. One more code also is there. Yeah, BigQuery. Yeah, this is one more code. This Airflow. Okay, these are things will be there. That is the reason. If you have any coding knowledge, you can go with that. Otherwise, you can select administration with DevOps. That is more than enough. You will get a job for 4 years. If you mention 4 years of experience, you can crack the interviews very easily. Okay. Okay. First of all, what is meant by cloud? My name is Venkat. I have 18 years of experience. I started my career with I think so around 2006. Okay. I started my career with a database engineering, and now I'm working as a multi-cloud architect, like driving applications in GCP, driving application in Oracle Cloud, some migrations into Azure Cloud, like that. Okay. Training experience, I have 14 to 15 years of experience. Any doubts you can ask me, no worries. Our session is GCP Cloud. Okay. First of all, why we need to use cloud? Because we don't know, right? We are going with some scratch. What is meant by cloud? Why we are using cloud? The thing is, in older days, when I am working, when in around 2007, okay, there is no cloud. There is no cloud at all, and we need to work on manually. There will be a data center will be there. Suppose I am working for a application, Pfizer application. Simple thing. Very old it is coming. Yeah, a Pfizer application. You know, right? Corona medicine has been developed to something Pfizer application. This is the when I am working here, what are the things? Separate data center will be maintaining by the Pfizer team. Okay, Pfizer application. We have in US, we have in Chennai also we have, but data centers from the US. Okay, what in the data center, what it will be there? Suppose Pfizer application means they need some servers, right? Suppose you need to build Pfizer.com, Zomato.com, Swiggy.com, something, right? We need some servers. Without servers, we cannot able to install. Say, for example, we are connecting Zoom. Okay. How you are connecting? With help of some server only, right? With any device, mobile device also it is allowing, and laptop also you are connecting. Without any device you cannot able to connect, right? Same case here also. If you want to go with any big applications, they need some at least small servers. Okay. At that time, they will build one data center. This is one server. Okay, this is application server. This is development server. This is this is database server. Some servers will be there. Then finally you will get some application. like www.pfizer.com. It is connected, interconnected. Why? Because of without connections, we cannot able to do, right? And they will be opening internet gateway. They're allowing internet gateway. Okay, like this. Now, now the thing is, they developed their application around very old, right? I told i3, i3, okay, HDD hard disk, and 512 or something 200 GB. At the time, 200 GB only, very high. Okay, in this case, if you find it is working fine, now what happened? Now, after 10 years or 15 years, now they need to upgrade 2025. They need to, because huge development is happened. Lot of servers are there, like different countries. They build some servers with help of VMware. Oh, okay, leave it. I'm not talking any software related, just general layman terms I'm talking. Okay, like this, they developed some missions and very big organization. Now, Pfizer, previously it is very minimal. Now it is very big. Lot of medicines they are doing. Okay. Now around they need to upgrade their servers because older. Suppose you purchased, you people are when you are working in, sorry, when you are studying BTech or something, at that time 10 years back, I think so, just general 10 years back laptop you purchased at intermediate or something. Okay, now after 10 years after education, that laptop it's not supporting, right? You need to upgrade your laptop with i7 or latest some more HP. You are using some SR something. Now you need to upgrade. You need to buy a new laptop, HP, Dell or something. In that case, now you need to buy means what is the specification? i7, okay, 1 TB of disk, then memory 16 GB of RAM, these things. If you want to go with, you, it will automatically, I think so, i7 and 1 TB hard disk, SSD. SSD is a solid state, right? Now 16 GB RAM. In this case, if you want to purchase this laptop, now the cost is 1,15,000, I think so. I purchased like this. Okay. Previously, I purchased my old laptop 15 years back, 10 years back. Yes, sir. Very minimal. 200 GB hard disk and 8 GB also. It's not there. 4 GB RAM. Now you need to upgrade, right? Now I need to upgrade means this infra setup, how much cost? Some 10 lakhs. Just Indian word. 10 lakhs purchased. Now, cloud means, now again, I need to upgrade my servers means, roughly I can calculate 2025 budget. It may go to 50 lakh, not 1 CR also, it may go. 1 CR also, 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore or 2 crores also. Why? Because of there is a huge gap between 15 to 20 years are there. Okay, you need to upgrade. In that case, now companies, they are not looking into that. Okay, why they are not going? This is private, we'll call it as a private cloud. Private cloud, we'll call it as a private cloud. Means private cloud is yours. For that reason, I need to go with all those things. I need, see here, networking you need to build, network engineers. VMware, you have to install some VMs or something, missions. Okay. VMware admins, Windows administrators, Linux administrators, database application, database administrator. Okay. And these people will be all, lot of people are there too. keep on working. Then gateways, internet gateways are there. Load balancers, third-party tools we need to use, Akmail, something like that. Okay. For that reason, these they are not going with one CR, they are going with public cloud. Okay, public cloud they are going. What is the public cloud? What are the things we have in the market? AWS and Azure, GCP. Now booming is Oracle Cloud and IBM Cloud. Like that, we have Digital Ocean. These clouds are you can pay how much you want to use. You can pay it. Then if you don't want, you can delete it also. No problem. Okay, pay as you go model. Pay as you go means how much you want to utilize, you can utilize. If you don't want, you can delete it. No charges. That is, and you can use latest one. I can use latest one, Windows, latest server relax, latest. You can use latest networking, late everything is late. That is the benefit, right? But how much you need to charge? They'll be charging accordingly. See, this is very, very costly. Why? Because of, I need to upgrade complete data center means 1 CR or 2 crores also. We don't know. But cloud is not like that. Instantly you can build. And meanwhile, you need some spend money without paying some amount in upfront. You need to pay. Okay, once a year you need to pay. You should have money to buy the laptop. Suppose if you want to buy a laptop means you should have a money, right? Without money, we cannot able to buy. Okay, for that reason, there is here it's not like that. Just you can give a credit card or debit card. 1 rupee is enough to verification. They will give you trial edition for 3 months or one month or something. Then you can start bill. Then later on the billing will be there. That is the benefited in public clouds. Okay. And first thing, AWS we know, Azure is okay, Microsoft product, Google product is GCP, Oracle product is Oracle, IBM. Oracle, why it is booming means Oracle products, lot of products are there. PeopleSoft and Edwards, HCM applications, Oracle databases, Exadata. Like that, we have plenty of applications are there. For that reason, some companies they are going directly to the Oracle Cloud. IBM Cloud, why it is booming? It's not booming, just mainframes, DB2 applications are moving into this cloud. Okay, digital cloud is digital ocean means very small applications. I have a 10 members or 15 members, some small applications they can go with the digital ocean. And one more thing also there, I forgot, that comes under fifth place, Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud is China's product. Okay, and all Asians are started using. And Zoom, we are working on Zoom, right? Zoom is one of the main product are working in Alibaba Cloud. They are using Alibaba Cloud. Okay, Zoom application. Why? Because of CEO is China's guy. That's the reason. One of the reason. Okay, these are the things. Now we are going to see GCP. GCP Cloud. Here same. See the context is same. What we are doing in the on premises, on we'll call it as a on premises. Technical word is on premises. Private cloud, okay, but technically on premise. Okay, on premises, we can call it as on premise. On premises, what are the things you are doing? You developed computers, right? Here directly we can start one computer here. And networking you need to do. And storage, you need some storage, right? Means like a Google Drive, we have storages, right? Google Drive you can upload. Here also you can build here. How they can build here? You need to build one VMware, one machine. On top of that, they need to enable the drive for publicly, means internally. That we'll call it as a shared drives. We'll call it as a shared drives. That comes under storages. Okay, very easy. Like what are the things we are doing that you need to do in any cloud? Networking, VMs creations, okay, storage build, file sharings, and database creations. Oracle database has I need to install here. Okay, SQL Server database has to install here. MySQL application has to install here. Directly you can use, just enable a service and you can install it in GCP in any cloud. These things you need to do. Let me share. Any doubts? Okay, see here. What is that first thing? Billings. Okay, main thing is billing. It's not your activity. Architect will take care billings and all those things. Even architects also we won't take care. I am working as a multi architect, but billing I am not looking. Separate team will be there. Accounting, they will take care. Okay, high level product manager, product like that will be there. Account manager will be there. Okay, that guy will be taking care. What is identity? What is meant by IAM? IAM is a uh, going back to here. Now, some people are working. Some people are working like Anil is there. Anil, some Pfizer.com, his email ID. And Kiran, just email ID. Okay. And Venkat and email ID. Like that, some people are there, right? We need to configure where you need to configure in on premises, these server, these email IDs where they're creating, right? That we'll call it as an Active Directory. Active Directory server, we need to build. 1 minute, guys, some disturbance is there. Okay, these email IDs where we can create, there is an Active Directory will be there. In the Active Directory, you can create it. Okay, all names will be there. Then you can create in Active Directory. That emails and all those things configurations in cloud, we'll call it as a IAM, Identity Access Management. Okay, you can build, you can create all those things. Okay, newly accounts will be created from workspace. That account will be reflected to in IAM. We'll call it as a IAM. Active Directory, what we are calling in on-premises, we'll call it as a in cloud IAM. Any cloud IAM only. Identity Access Management. And okay. And going forward, how you can able to create these things will later we'll discuss. Technically, it's not required right now. How you can create a Gmail account, sorry, a Google Cloud account, that is important. Okay. I created a document. I have a document. I'll share you. No worries. Something. Trial. You can create a trial account, free trial account. You will get $300 free for 90 days. Okay, 90 days. What you need to create first thing, a Gmail account you can create. Any Gmail account like Kiran, your account, your name, right? You can create any at the rate of Gmail, something account, a new account, you can create it. And then you should have a debit card, debit card or credit card, anything that should enable online transactions. Make sure your card, once you opened in mobile, okay, any Axis Bank or ICC Bank will be there, right? Enable online transaction, okay, online transaction. Then after 20 minutes or 30 minutes, then you need to give all details in your pre account. Let me show you. Hmm. See, I created recently. I created. See this one, and if you give as a free account, I created. You will get a email. Just next. I'll give you the document also. 1 minute. Let me show you the document. See here. If you click on this, okay, you will get like this. Okay, you will get like this, and here you can click on that start free, and it will give the details individual, my name, what is the card name. Mainly it will be verifying, suppose if you are giving a card name. Okay, that card name and your legal name should be match, okay, otherwise it won't allow. Both names has to match. Okay, your card number is Venkata, okay, give that name. And which location is street address where you are staying. See, if you are staying in Hyderabad, and if you are giving your local home address, it won't accept. Okay, Hyderabad address only you can give, no problem. Where you are staying, why? Because of it will verify geographical these things, because of Wi-Fi enabled, right? It will verify. I am in Chennai, you are giving in Hyderabad address, means it won't accept, it will decline. Give where are you, because uh, here my name I have given, my local address, because when I am creating this account, I am in Tirupati. Okay, for that reason now I am in Hyderabad, but when I am creating this account, I am in Tirupati. That is the reason I given. And verify, it will ask for verify. Okay, verify, start, and give your card number. Just give QR code is there, but don't give this thing. Card number enough. QR code means it will be automatically, it will detect. Maybe there is a chances. Go with this one, or you can use anything your wish. Not a problem. It will detect 2 rupees. Okay, card number, same CVV number, whatever the card number. I'm giving card number, CVV numbers. Okay, when it is there, and verify it, and card number it will change. See here, it is giving visa number, is it correct? Then start. You will get a OTP. to your mobile and verify it. Okay, mine is ICICI Bank. Automatically, you give the OTP number, then successfully you will get that. Then select any cloud, whatever you want, just done. That's it. You will get $300 credits for 3 months in Indian currency, 25,000. Within 3 months, you can utilize anything, but you should not create very big servers. I want to build a VM, okay, virtual machine. I should not select 100 GB database and storage. I need very high-end machines. It won't, very small machines, it will be allowed. Otherwise, it will ask for quota. It won't allow. Why? Because of we are in free account. See here. See, 91 days. Okay, before last day, 89th day, you need to tell it all those things. I'll tell you. Later, I will tell you that. Okay, that is the thing. This is the article. This document I will share you. According to that, you can create a trial account, then start working. If you have any doubts, I will create a WhatsApp group. We can discuss in that WhatsApp group. Okay, anything you can able to discuss like that. This is the for that. See, now I will show you. Okay, console, right? Console, you will get, see, go to the go my console. Email ID also you can delete it. They see console, you got the console, all whatever the things are there. 86 days means 91th day. I think so, 5 6 days back I created. Okay, what are the services? Every service you can do. See, IAM policies, and what we are doing in data center, in Active Directory server, all those things you can create it here. Marketplace, whatever you want, you will get it. If you click on this, you will get all those things. See, all marketplace, analytics, big data related by applications, databases, cloud platforms, virtual machines, okay, Kubernetes, container images, everything you will get it marketplace. If you, there will be charging. Okay, if I want to buy these Databricks, 14 days trial they're giving. Okay, Kafka, I want to use this one, like DevOps, Datadog for monitoring. You can use this one. GitLab, you can integrate, and Oracle, Red Hat Linux if you want to install. These are all free. Ubuntu, you can install it. SUSE Linux, you can install 30 days trial. Like that, anything you can use, utilize according to your project. Everything you can find out in any cloud. Okay, not only GCP cloud, you can go with Oracle cloud or AWS cloud, like that. Okay, if you click on navigation menu, see, all APIs. This is Vertex VI is machine learning. Okay, this is not required. This, okay, compute engine. This section we are going to see compute, how you can able to create, out what is meant by disk, what is meant by storage pools. Everything we are going to discuss. Kubernetes engine also very important for DevOps engineer. We are going with DevOps also, right? How you can, this is Kubernetes is for not only DevOps, administrators, even um, data engineers also. They need a machine learning people also. They need to learn GKE. For that reason, you have to get a job means we need to learn Google Kubernetes engine also. That is very important. Okay, I'll tell you. We have sessions. Okay, storage, how you can create a bucket. Storage is like a Google Drive. I want to build one bucket, means one drive. Okay, see here, bucket. I created a lot of buckets. I created, why? Because of I am working for a support projects. Okay. Like I created some buckets. You can also create create a bucket, sample bucket. Bucket name is like Google Drive. Okay. This is a Google Drive. Simple example. I'm saying Google Drive. Okay. Okay. Don't confuse. Okay. Just I'm creating. Um, Google should not use like that. Okay. You see, can't contain Google. They are saying right because mm, some okay, GCP drive. You can create it, confirm it, create. You can upload any file. See here, I can upload some files. Okay, uploading any pictures you can upload, any folder you can upload directly. Sample survey number folder. Five files are there. Upload. Okay. Okay, I uploaded all those things. Like this, you can utilize whatever things. Why we need to use storages? Simple example. Why we need to go with storage? Now, I want to migration. See, a lot of companies started migration. Okay, migration means what? This is GCP cloud. Think like something is going on. My laptop is not functioning well. Okay, this is a Google Cloud. Just think like a Google Cloud. Fine. Now, I want to migrate this database. For example, this is a database. This is a VM. Some application you need to migrate. How you can able to migrate means side by side migration is there. Lift and shift. Lift and shift means lift here, place here. Okay. This is one type of migration. We are going to see these things also. See, you want to migrate. Okay, you need to migrate. First, where you need to keep, if you want to keep it in one storage bucket, right? In one storage bucket, you need to keep all those things. Okay, for if you are building a house, some you need to keep some place, right? To bricks, to keeping bricks, sand, you need to mix it with cement and all those things, right? In that case, how we need some space, right? For that reason only, we need to create some storage, and you can keep it anything, you can keep it files, you can keep it software, you can keep anything, you can play whatever you want, you can keep it like a Google Drive. Then slowly you kept all those things. Then slowly, what are the indications as per project requirements? Slowly you can move and you can keep it. This one is need to keep in SQL database section. You can keep it. And this is a VM. I told right Ubuntu VMs. There you can keep it. Like this, you can keep whatever you want. These are called migrations. That is also we are going to see. Okay, this course content I'm going. Like this, we are going to see IAM first. What is who want to create, what is the policies, what is service accounts also there. Okay, what is meant by keys? These things we need to manage the permissions also. Why managing permissions? Suppose here, if you go back to picture, Kiran is there. He is a Java developer. He need Java related applications and he need to view Java. and some database related only, we need to provide the access. Venkat is there. Venkat is a cloud engineer, cloud admin. He need complete access. You provide complete access. Like that, that is the reason we need to know very, very important giving permissions. Okay. And revoking the permissions, updating the permissions, add-ons also will be coming, right? These things. And billing section. Okay, billing, it's just like you can go through that, we'll discuss, but don't more and more, don't concentrate. It's not required for you guys. Any doubts? Any doubts? I'll be give you a minute. If you have any doubts, let me. See, this is a interactive session. Okay, I can consider no doubts. But the thing is, if you have some doubts, it will be good. Why? Because of you are learning, right? No need to wait for some time. If you have any doubt, put it in chat also, no problem. Fine. Okay. Coming back to compute engine, you want to create a instances, instance groups, auto scaling, startup scripts. Scripts, don't worry. It's not a very big deal. It's very, then storages, how you can create. I told, right, what is meant by storage, live permissions. You need to give permissions also. You should not allow or to give all. Okay, we have to restrict. See here, this is the permission. We created some bucket, right? Something. Provide the permissions. You can use edit access. Okay, you cannot legacy access enabled info. Okay, I given some permission. Here you can go here. You can see. Okay, see, whatever the access, you can grant access or remove access. Like this, you can give whatever you want, you can give. Suppose a Gmail is there, any Gmail account, because this is a free account, right? Let me try any my email ID. Yeah, see here, my got my Gmail, right? For that reason, any Gmails will be popping up. I want to give some storage owner or reader, only reader. I can give. I updated. Reader access, I got it. Once if I log in, I will get these documents. Okay. Like this, you can control your storages. Or okay, whatever you want to control, you can control it. I don't want now. I want to remove the access. I don't want. Okay, like this, you can manage your storage buckets. Networking, very very important concept is networking. How you can go with that networking? You need to see, you need to give the connections. Here also same thing. Directly we cannot able to create all those things. You have to organize properly. Okay, and you cannot able to directly, you cannot able to create like this. Okay, you have to create a some structure. You have to create some projects under the project. There should be a structure. Like see for example, if you go to the school, okay, um, ground floor some sections will be there, second floor there will be sections will be there, third floor will be some sections will be there, a section, b section will be there, right? In school, in colleges also will be grouping, btech civil, btech electronics, btech computers. There will be some differentiation are there, right? Same case here also. We need to organize your architecture. How you can go with that? You have to create a project. Here we'll call it as a projects. One project is belong to network development team, second project is for testing team, fourth project is for production team. Okay, that you need to organize. Directly you cannot able to build projects. I'll show you. Means sections. We have some sections, right? In college and the groups are there, right? Same here also. We have complete. You need to organize. Completely you need to organize because your account, your projects, your application. See, here no organization. Why it is showing like this? This is a free account. We cannot able to see organization. If you are, I will show you at last. I will show you how to. I have a account. I will show you my organization. Just later I will show you that. It's not mine. Just I created some cloud related, and you need to purchase these things. You can go with that. It's not required for you. Why? Because of that is a enterprise accounts. Okay, you need to spend some money. Organization, it's free because you cannot able to see if, for example, Pfizer is there, here it will be Pfizer. Then projects will be there. I want to create a project. Okay, I'm creating a project. See, 23 projects I can create a free trial. Now project, our batch is morning, right? I will create morning some batch. Okay, and this is the morning batch. You can project name, project id is very important. Once it is created you cannot able to change. Okay, see here, cancel it again and going back. Project name you can change anytime. Morning, see, morning batch. See, if you create automatically it will detect as this one, then you cannot able to change it later. Very, this is once if I create a project, can I change project name? You can change it. Project ID you cannot able to change. Okay, this thing I will give small letters uniquely. It should be unique. 1, 2, 3. Okay, morning batch 1, 2, 3 or 8. Just simple 8 morning batch 8 a.m. something. Okay, I can create. It is creating. See here. In this project, we can create a VM, everything you can create. See, in this project. Now I want to create a VM, virtual machine. VM is nothing but a instance. You need to create a computer, right? For your applications. See here. So many things as tomorrow also same time you can connect. We'll discuss that. See. See, first project it is showing. No, I don't want to go with first project. I need to select morning batch. Then you can create. And every project, there will be APIs will be there. Application protocols, interfaces we have. This one. APIs will be interfaces, protocol information interfaces will be there. You have to enable all those things for your project. Then only you can go with that. Enable. Okay. See, it is asking for verify. You can ignore it. No problem. If you want to give a verify means you have to give card details again. It's not required. Just refresh it. It's not enabled. Okay. It will be, you have to wait for 2, 3 minutes. Then it will enable. Any doubts, I can stop for here. Okay, if you have any doubts, let me know. And daily recordings, I'll give you an interview preparation also, how you can face the interview and all those things. I'll give you hands-on document. 1 minute, let me share that also. I'll give you the notes also. No worries. 1 second. Let me pause this. You can see my notes, right? This is handy notes. Okay, this is handy notes. Everything you can, I am covering completely. Okay, it's not more and more, very minimal. Which topic you need, you can go through that. For example, I want to go with compute service. Just you can see 11th chapter. You can take a printout. You can take a printout and you can work out. This is not completely, we don't have lab sessions. Okay, but giving examples theoretically, you can learn somewhat. For example, App Engine, what is that? App Engine is a serverless platform. It will be giving a brief introduction for every service, or to get a interview. So you want to connect to interviews, right? You need to attend the interviews. What is meant? Suddenly you will get a doubt. Okay, 50 pages, this one. That is very handy. You can take a printout and utilize these things. Okay. Lab sessions, I'll give you separately. I'll give you GitHub link. I'll give you that. Let me share that also. You can see that, right? It is giving black color. Let me change this. Something. Okay, no problem. Sometimes it is. See here, this one I'll give you. For example, I want to create a compute. Create compute engine completely. I'll give you the links. You can go ahead and practice whatever you want to practice. You can practice it. Now I want to go with networking. See, everything scripts are there. You can download whatever. I'll give you the links also. See how you can able to create. This is with help of script. You can, it's one line only. Okay, one line. I am adding all those things. It is one line. You can create using commands, gcloud commands, google cloud commands, or you can go with gi method also. Like this you can create it. See, it is that api has been enabled. Now you can create a instance like this. You can create, or with using this cloud shell also you can create. Two methods. But the thing is, if you learn this one, see in the command line, See this one. Okay. Command line. Copy this anything, any like gcloud. No, compute, right? Compute engine. Okay. Later we'll discuss the cloud. So many things are there with using. See, for example, I want to see how many projects are there. Here, how many projects are there? gcloud. We have seen three projects, right? Three projects in GI means graphical interface. We have seen, right? gcloud projects list. Okay, three projects. One just now we created morning batch. One more project already it is there, and project ID. Project ID is very important. Okay, you have to keep in mind, not project name. Project name also there. Project name will be like a space and like this. It will be there. Project ID without space, with help of hyphens, you will get it. Okay, these things. I'll stop for today. If you have any doubts, let me know. We'll connect tomorrow also. He will be, my coordinator will be updating to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me also. I think you guys know my mobile number.